To enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down until we find the notifications section, and then when you enter it, you can go to Do Not Disturb mode, and there's a switch right here that allows you to turn it on and off. You can also change the toggle, so if you click on the second option right here, you can change it to always enable for a certain amount of time right here, until you turn it off manually, or ask every time. That way, if you click on this switch, it will always ask you if you want to enable it for a certain amount of time or until you turn it off manually. Alternatively, we can swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and find Do Not Disturb mode in those icons right here. Now, if we cannot find this Do Not Disturb mode icon that I have right there, we'll be able to add it by clicking on the pen button, then scroll all the way down to Add Controls and find Do Not Disturb mode icon and simply add it to the quick access list. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.